Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your lights on the GPods. So to do this you have to be connected with this HHOGene application and then go for the color, then go to the more colors, and as you can see first we can go from the most popular, and if you want to switch for example for this one, just click on it once and then you can find the preview of this color, how it looks in the real life. And if you want to switch, just simply click apply. There we go. As you can see, it's set up right now. You can also change them by going to the light and you can pick the light control. So you can get this pulse option and the ripple, bright. That's like normal static color. That's also the brief. And also right here, you can find the description and also we can adjust the brightness level. When you go back for this color and tap right here, you can also go for the all of this stuff that someone share into the application. Like for example, the Coca-Cola can. And you can also create your own. So you can pick the color palette, color capture or color photo. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.